Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Kawasaki Ninja 400. This is the KRT Kawasaki Race Team version. Beautiful green and black. It's got the frame sliders, fender eliminator, adjustable levers, a lot of nice anodized parts, and that awesome sounding Musari GP Street Series exhaust. Wait till you hear that. Only 17,000 miles on this gorgeous Ninja 400 KRT model. Twin cylinder, lightweight, fuel injected, liquid cooled, 45 horsepower, only $49.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.